Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you Microsoft Excel date. So for this case we will go to Microsoft Excel file. So this is the file and the column I have working last few videos. So this is the column I have selected and we'll do this sign or what this is the date. So I will do from the here editing. This is the date, this is the date format. So how do we sort out this thing? If we do this and in our data sets or lots of things we can select it, and this has not been working because of see low size of this volume. So we have, when we have increased the column size, in that case this has been working here. So again we'll do, see this is not working, again we will do, see this thing has been working in this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, let's do the things one thing once, and we will do, sorry, the date, sorry, again date and what, location, sorry, United States. So again we do more number format, data format, serial number, date values, date formats begin with the asterisk, this thing. If we do the 2025, see the thing has been here, see. So in this way you can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.